Welcome to another ThemeMountain video tutorial. This is part 1 of menus. And in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to create a theme menu, and then I'm going to show you how to override that for a particular page and create a custom menu. Now this is useful, for example, when you want to create a landing page or some other page that does not have the same navigational items as the site itself. So I'm here under appearance menus, but of course you can set up the menus also in the customizer with the live preview. I'm going to do it here though. I have my page here. As you can see, I don't have any menu yet, so I'm going to go ahead and create that now. So the first thing to do is to name the menu. So I'm going to call this main menu. I'm going to go ahead and create it. And then under menu settings, I'm going to select main navigation and overlay menu for display location. Now the main navigation menu, that's what appears for desktop, and the overlay navigation is used for mobile. Commonly in our themes, you'll either see overlay navigation or site navigation. So now that I've done that, I'm going to go ahead and select the pages that I want to add. So I'm just going to go ahead and select a few here as an example. There we go, and I'm going to make these submenu items of portfolio grid, and we can do this simply by dragging and dropping them like so, and then we can reorganize also by dragging and dropping like this. So I've created my menu there. I'm pretty happy with that, so I'm going to go ahead and save that, and we can see what this looks like. There we go. I have my main navigation here with the submenu. And if I resize it, we'll see that it will also update the overlay navigation, which is used for mobile. So now what I'm going to show you is how to override the global menu just for the page that I'm on right here. And we can do this in the page options of the page. The first step though is to create a new custom menu. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. And this time I'm going to call it a landing page menu. The difference this time though, I'm not going to select main navigation menu or overlay menu. In fact, I'm not going to select any display location for this menu because it's only going to relate to the page, and we don't want to overwrite the global menu. So now that I've created the menu, I'm just going to go ahead and add a few pages to it. And see, I'm going to select other pages than what we just did so we can see the difference here. There we go. Don't mind the links, that's just this is just an example, so I just want to illustrate it. So I've created my menu, and then I'm going to go to the page that I'm working on here. I'm going to scroll down to page options, and under the navigation tab I'm going to select change appearance for this page. Now when I do, I'm presented with a range of different options. I can switch the menu type. Commonly in our themes you'll see multiple different menu types, so you can select them here. You can override the color should you want to, for example. I'm not going to do that in this tutorial though. And you can also change the alignment and so on. And here you'll see that the menu we just created is already selected. Obviously, if you selected multiple menus, you'll have to reselect them here. You'll also see that we can set the overlay navigation, so the mobile navigation as well, and I'm going to put them to the same, but if you wanted to, you can alternate the navigation depending on desktop or mobile. We also have a secondary space for the overlay navigation, but I'm not going to set anything there right now. So I'm pretty happy with the setup here, and I'm going to go ahead and update this, and we can see the menu change. There we go, so we have the menu that relates only to this particular page. So that's pretty much it for this tutorial. Join us for the next one where we'll explore one-page navigation.